The matter, which borders on the alleged 700 million naira fraud involving the APC candidate in the September 19 governorship election in Edo State, Pst Ize Iyamu, Edo State PDP Chairman Tony Aziegbemi, former chairman of the PDP in Edo State, Chief Dan Orbih, former Edo State Deputy Governor Lucky Maswe, suffered a setback when parties in the matter appeared in court with the absence of the first defendant, Pst Osagie Ize-Iyamu. Counsel to the first defendant, Pst Osagie Ize-Iyamu, Chief Charles Edo State told the court that his client, Pst Osagie Ize-Iyamu, could not make it to court because of a health challenge and presented to the court a doctor's report. Following the absence of the first defendant, the court adjourned the matter to Tuesday the 14th of July and asked that the first defendant be present in court in the next adjourned date. Counsel to the parties, including that of the EFCC, Barrister Ahmed Aroga, comments on the proceedings.
The case couldn't go on today. The court had to adjourn because the first defendant couldn't come to court because he's indisposed. And the court, in the circumstances, adjourned the matter to the 14th of July for hearing of pending motions. Don't forget, we have a motion challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
The inability of the first defendant to present in court. He's sick and will be served with hospital medical certificate to that effect.
The matter was adjourned consequent upon the application by the first defendant, who is unavoidably absent in court. He is said to be sick. Consequently, the matter was adjourned to 14th of July.
So is it true that the judge threatened to arrest him?
No, he never threatened to arrest him.
On the case challenging the mode of primaries of the APC in Edo State, filed by Kenneth Asekome and Matthew Diekeme, counsel to the first defendant and All Progressives Congress, Herin Ogbodo SAN, told the court that the second defendant has served him with an application filed before the Supreme Court challenging the appeal court judgment challenging the Federal High Court jurisdiction to hear the substantive suit, and told the court to first consider the appeal before the Supreme Court. Counsel to the second defendant and suspended national chairman of the APC, Adams Oshomole, Roland Otaru SAN, told the court that they decided to approach the Supreme Court to challenge the judgment of the appeal court delivered on the 18th of June, challenging the jurisdiction of the Federal High Court to hear the matter, and asked the court to adjourn Sinadai pending the determination of the appeal by the APC Court. Counsel to the plaintiff, Kenneth Asekome and Matthew Diekeme, John Odubela SAN, while confirming to the court that they have been served the process at the Supreme Court, said the court cannot adjourn Sinadai as the matter may be decided by the APC Court within 1 week. After listening to counsel to the parties, the trial judge, Justice Mohammed Umar, adjourned the matter to the 23rd of this month pending the determination of the appeal before the Supreme Court. Counsel to the parties comment on the proceedings.
We have adjourned because there is a matter in respect of the case pending at the Supreme Court of Nigeria. An application for stay of proceedings has been filed by the second defendant to stay proceedings of the matter here pending the hearing and determination of the appeal to the Supreme Court in respect of ruling on jurisdiction delivered by the Court of Appeal.
We told the court that we filed a prayer for stay of further proceedings at the Supreme Court in respect of an appeal from the Court of Appeal related to a connection with the ruling delivered by the Court of Appeal on the 18th day of June 2020. We also intimated the court that we filed our brief of argument so that it will not appear as if we just want to delay the matter.
Aigboje Ikhuoria reporting.